From the hollers and hills of West Virginia, it's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode. Stay tuned. Boo! You're gonna need this right here, mixed cheese tortellini. Okay, don't ask me to pronounce that name, but you're gonna need it. We got one plain and one mixed, so that's how we're gonna do it today. I generally like to have the white and the green, but the way things are going right now, they had more white than they did the mix, so we had to buy plain ones, and then the mixed, we had one mixed one that we could put with each of our meals. But this, guys, is awesome. It's quick, it's fast, easy, healthy, and tastes wonderful. But you're gonna need this mixed cheese tortellini, or just plain tortellini, and some classic Alfredo. Your choice, whatever you choose. Ragu's good. We've tried several others. Ragu works. And then you need chopped ham. Okay, so here's the chopped ham that we're going to use. John Morrell diced ham. All right. And peas. Right here. Now, what we are going to do is all those peas that are left outside on the vine, we're going to be picking those off today. We're not going to do a video on it, I don't think. And if we do, it'll have to be uploaded a different day. Anyhow, we're going to pull all those peas off, string them, crack them, take all the pods open, bust the pods open, take all the peas out. We're going to freeze just the pea, okay? And then we'll freeze however many, that way we can use them in this specific meal. And then whatever, we'll probably save, quite a few seeds, or quite a few pea seeds, for planting next month in August, so we can have a fall harvest of those peas, because we love those peas. They're awesome peas. They taste great. The kids love to snack on them. They just got way too many, way too quick. They're still blooming and stuff, so we're going to leave them alone, let them do the thing. But we got a lot out there on there, so we're going to, in abundance, more than what the kids can eat in a week. So we're going to pop them all off there and do that. But yeah, this is how you make this meal. So you got this boiling. You boil it up real quick, get it all boiled up, and you drain your water off. Then you add your Alfredo sauce, and then you add your ham and your peas, and you finish it off. You stir it, and it basically, the heat off of the tortellini is so much that it heats up the ham that's already cooked. Okay, you're just warming it up, and it takes your frozen peas and thaws them out and cooks them. And it's wonderful. About 10 minutes is all it really takes to make this meal, 10 minutes or less. So if you're looking for a quick, easy meal that tastes good, that the whole family can eat, and that it's filling, it's fast and easy, this is the one. I'm going to try to start doing quick, easy meals that Annie does around here more often, and just kind of show you guys what it is. Like, she has this one for grilled cheese. Guys, you guys would not believe the grilled cheese. It's the best. If she was to put that on a gourmet menu, guys, you would be paying $5 for the $5 a sandwich. I guarantee it. Tomato soup and that grilled cheese sandwich. It's got 3 different kinds of cheeses: Colby Jack, Swiss, and what else? Provolone. Provolone. Guys, you talk about stretchy, melt in your mouth. Just good cheese and a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm telling you guys, when she made that, man, that became an instant. I love grilled cheese anyhow, but that became an instant success. Provolone, Colby Jack, Swiss, all put together. You stack them all 300. Anyways, we'll do one of those videos on that grilled cheese sandwich. But here is your quick and easy meal, brought to you by us. Again, we're going to drain this water off, add the ragu, Alfredo, and add the ham and the peas. Stir it all in, and we are done and ready to serve. So, hope it helps. Get out there and cook you some quick, easy meals and get back out to the garden and work.
Don't forget to smash that like button. That notification bell. Don't get the
Good job. Here you go. Thank you.
Don't get the
Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And subscribe.
subscribe.